With this kit, you're going to be making the cactus charm. If this is your first time creating with us, we want to share a few tips to make this experience a great one. If you haven't yet, visit our techniques videos linked in the description below. For all you first-timers, we sent you some pipe cleaners in your kit specifically to practice with these videos and learn common techniques that will make your piece even better. Regardless of how many times you've done this, you have some extra pipe cleaners in your kit in case you make a mistake. That's completely normal and we've planned for it. The more time and attention you give to your piece, the better it will turn out. So take all the time you need, follow the steps, and above all, have fun learning and advancing in this new art form. Happy twisting! Begin by shaping the body of your cactus to the template as shown. Bend one side in a right angle at the bottom. Check your shape and size on the template. Then bend over the excess and wrap around to connect. Wrap the long excess around the frame to strengthen. Make a J-hook on the end of a full pipe cleaner and connect to the bottom of the frame. Begin filling by looping over and through, weaving back and forth up the body of the cactus. When you come to the end of a pipe cleaner, grab a new one and twist on to the end as shown. Make it a tight connection, then continue your fill. When you finish your fill, pinch and shape at the top so it looks smooth. Then trim the excess and secure. Cut one full pipe cleaner in half to start equally. You will make each arm out of one half of a pipe cleaner. Shape to the left arm on the template. Be sure to stick to the sizing on your template, checking often to make sure the shape and size are correct. Now shape the right arm just as you did the left on the template. Here's where we will place the arms in the end. It's always good to check your pieces for shape and symmetry before moving on. From this shape on the right arm, find the spot where it should connect and bend up the bottom as shown so it's sticking straight up. Now fold that piece back down to overlap the first. Take the end and loop into the frame and pull back to the left, giving yourself this shape when you're done. That pattern was up, down, through the frame, and folding back, in case those steps got confusing. Make a J-hook on the end of a new pipe cleaner and connect to your arm to fill. Weave to fill this arm, following the path of the arm as you go. Weave diagonally when you hit the bend in the arm. Continue to fill this way the rest of the time. When you reach the end of your fill, trim the excess and secure. Repeat the connection process again using the longer piece to bend down, then back up to connect. Be sure to move the excess over to point to the right to match the bottom as you did before. Start your fill by making a J-hook and connecting to the top of the arm as shown. Weave across the arm back and forth to fill as you did on the last one, following the shape of the arm as you go. At the end of the fill, if you don't think it's going to reach, just connect an extra piece that you used after cutting on the last fill. If you end up with more than you need, simply twist in the extra as shown. You can have a longer piece here, no need to trim yet. Let's connect our arms to the body. Locate the place you want your arm to be on the body. Then push the top connection through the front of the body's fill to the back and the bottom connection through the back of the body's fill to the front. This will allow the piece to be even on the side. Weave back through the arm from back to front to connect even further. Then, fold the extra piece in to hide it. The arm on the template shows the connection here. The bottom connector is lined up with the top of the left arm for reference. Now connect the top through the front of the body to the back and the bottom from the back of the body through to the front as before. Tie on and secure and hide as you can. Now let's make our cute cactus flower. Bend about 1/4 of the way up on a full pink pipe cleaner to start. Shape your first petal to the template for size and twist to connect the shape. Make a second petal with the shorter excess as shown, keeping them tight together and the same size. You're not filling these and there's no gaps, so just keep them flat and tight. Leave the small excess on the back and use the longer piece for your next 2 petals. Again, be sure you're shaping the petals to be flat. Trim the excess and hide on the back. Take a yellow pipe cleaner to make the center. Trim off about 1 inch and spiral around as shown. Keep a small connection piece on the back and connect to your petals by sliding in between 2 of them, setting this in the center and hiding it on the back. Let's finish up by connecting our flower to our cactus. Push through the connection on the back of the flower to the desired location on your cactus. Twist the pink piece several times in the back in a spiral to lock the flower in place. Get your flower where you want it and you're done. You can add a key ring, a chain, or an extra pipe cleaner to make this a charm for your backpack, keys, and more. It can be a bookmark or just a gift for the cactus lover in your life. Show us how you did by tagging us on Instagram at AscendArtCo and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and creations. Happy twisting!